I'm Anil Kumar. Welcome to my series on vectors. Let me thank GCSE for sharing the questions on exam review. Here is question number 5, which pertains to collinear points. The question here is OA, the vector OA is 5A, vector OB, O to B is 3B. C is a point such that OC is to CA is 4:1. So C is somewhere here so that we have 4:1 ratio. That means 4A and A, right? So that is a point C somewhere here, right? So that is here. M is a midpoint of AB. So that means these two sides are equal. D is a point such that OB to OD is 3:4. So D is such that O to B and O to D is 3:4. Now we are given O to B as 3B, so this has to be just B, right? Vector B. Now it becomes the ratio of 3:4, right? Show that C, M and D are on the same straight line. So point C is such that, when you join this, let me just join them. So I'm just writing C here. We need to show that C, M and D are along the same line. So that is the question for you. Now the best way to show this is to find what CM is and what M and D is. And if they are scalar multiple, in that case they are collinear, right? So that is how we are going to prove it, right? So let us find what is C to D is, right? So let's find C to D first. The vector C to D, we can go in this path. So this is 4A. So if you come along in this direction, it will be C to O plus O to D. Or you can say OB and BD, right? Or you can write O to D. That is how we get CD. Now C to O is minus 4A. Correct? Since the direction is opposite. And O to D is 4B. We can take minus 4 common, and then what we get here is A minus B. So C to D is the vector minus 4 times A minus B. Correct? Now let us try to find what is M to D. For M to D, we can follow the path M to B and then from B to D. M is the midpoint of AB, right? So what is M to B? M to B is half of AB. And BD we know is vector B. Now A to B is 3B minus 5A. So we could write this as A to B as 3B minus 5A. And we have B here. So let's open and simplify. So we have 3 over 2B minus 5 over 2A plus B. Combining the terms with vector B, we get 3 over 2B plus vector B minus 5 over 2A. Now 3 over 2 plus 1, that means 2 plus 3, 5. That gives me 5 over 2B. And this is minus 5 over 2A. Now we can take 5 over 2 common, right? If I take minus 5 over 2 common, in that case I again get A minus B. Right? So that means MD and CD are scalar multiples of A minus B, right? So that implies that both vectors MD and CD are scalar multiples. of vector A minus B, correct? Therefore, they are collinear. So all the 3 points are on the same straight line, right? So that implies that C, M, and D are on the same straight line, correct? Perfect. So I hope the steps are absolutely clear. So what we really did here was we found what is CD. CD was A minus B times minus 4, scalar multiple of A minus B, right? Then we found what is MD, all this. We took this path, M being the midpoint of AB, and it also turned out to be a scalar multiple of A minus B. So that means both of them are parallel, and so they lie on the same line, right? So that is how we could actually prove it. I hope it makes sense. I hope the steps are absolutely clear. Feel free to write your comments, share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. You can always send me an email on the address given here in case you have any questions. Thanks for watching and all the best.